Well, hello everybody. I'm going to do a desktop review on this 13-inch pneumatic tire with hub I picked up from Harbor Freight. These retail for $14.99. A 20% off coupon will yield you $11.99 plus tax out the door. I'd read some reviews on these. I'm going to go over what I know about it, at least at this date. I purchased 4 of these. I cannot use the hub, but I need tires and tubes. And just to source out tubes locally, they were $10 to $12. So I'm money ahead going this direction, and these are exactly the same tires that I needed. The dimensions on this are not what they say, so I'm going to tout them here. It claims 13 inches by 5 by 6, 13 by 5 by 6. It is not 5 inches wide. Get a measurement here for you and let you know exactly how wide it is. Looks like it's 4 1/8, so we're missing 7/8 of width on this. Not a big deal for my application, but that might be important to some folks. The bore here is 5/8. The depth from race to race looks like it's right at 4 inches right here. That'll let you know if it will fit on your axle shaft and the length of your shaft, or if you just need tires and tubes, transplant these, which is what I'm doing. I had some complaints that I'd read where someone said that it was busted or it broke right here at the hub. I don't know. It's welded all the way around here. The hub halves are welded together, as well as this hub where the bearing is a solid piece that runs all the way through. Internally, I'm going to show you the parts of one and just kind of let you know what to expect. Here's the tube that came with it. I see nothing wrong with it, but around it, can you see all these indentions right here? That was from all this garbage that is actually inside the tire. So if you get these and decide to use them like this, you might dismount it and then clean it out and put it back together. The tire itself had all of this flash hanging off of it right around in here. I just took a razor blade and trimmed all that off and sucked out the rest of it with a vacuum. No big deal there. And here's one of the hubs. It is an enamel finish on it. It's not, this one's a little rusty from the factory. It's not sealed on the inside. But I don't see much of an issue with this. It's welded all the way around, like I said. It's just my opinion, though. This has bent stems on it. The ones on that I'm putting the hubs in here have straight stems, but I'm still able to make it work. Something else to consider. To dismount it, it came with 20 pounds of pressure, and all of them did for that matter. 30 pounds is the PSI it should be run at, not to exceed 40. So I've got this up to 30 pounds to get all those dimensions as they should be. The way I got it off was I removed the stem and let the air out of it, or the core. Flip it over while pressing down on one side to get the tire into this groove right here. I used a 1/2-inch wrench to hook that, making sure not to pinch the tube, and then just pulled the wrench around to where I had about this much of it up above here, and then pulled the rest out by hand. Roll the tube out, being careful not to put any holes in it, and then just simply push and pop the tire off. All in all, I could not find a better deal for tires and tubes than I could buying the whole setup. They're going to work for me. If you need one for a wheelbarrow or maybe a two-wheel truck or something like that, you might check them out. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.